Welcome to the show. I'm Kathy Ireland. Before manufacturers can bond surfaces and build their incredible creations, it's crucial to ensure every surface is clean and ready for the next step. One company is revolutionizing the world of pre-treatment applications by harnessing the power of electricity and air to facilitate eco-friendly cleaning, surface activation, nano coatings, and so much more. Joining us today is the U.S. President and CEO of Plasmatreat USA, Inc., Hardev Grewal. Welcome, Hardev.
Kathy, thank you for having me on the show.
Now, Hardev, what does Plasmatreat do?
We modify surfaces. Our clients often face challenging surface pretreatment and adhesion issues, and we enable our customers to make more reliable products, replacing outdated and harmful cleaning methods like primers and wet chemicals using our sustainable plasma technology.
So Hardev, how does your technology work and why is it so important?
Think of the northern lights, a highly energized, glowing cloud of gas. Plasma is very similar to that. We take clean compressed air and electricity to generate plasma. And then, as you can see, we selectively apply the plasma to remove organic microcontamination and activate the surface prior to bonding materials.
So this is your product in action here.
In action in an industrial application, fully automized. Now, why is that important? Let's talk about lightweighting. It is a buzzword borrowed from the aerospace industry. Using lighter and often more difficult to bond materials is making its way into each and every new car and truck design today. We enable this trend by working with all the major car companies and the new electric ones. If you fly or drive in it today, chances are Plasmatreat has touched it.
So H.B. Fuller is a global adhesive supplier that's been in business for 130 years. We provide bonding solutions to our customers who make everything from electronic devices to building materials. We'd recommend Plasmatreat for difficult to bond surfaces like plastics, where the customer needs an automated process. We see the benefits of Plasmatreat, so we invested in a machine for our labs to improve our capability to solve problems for the customer.
What inspired you to develop this innovative pre-treatment solution?
It all started about 25 years ago, when a leading automotive headlamp manufacturer came to us trying to perfectly seal their headlamp housing. While solving our customer's problem, we realized that our plasma technology has so many more applications.
Plasmatreat really cares about their customers and really enjoys working on the products their customers are working on. Their knowledge of plasma treatment processes is vast, and they've helped us increase our throughput, bonding time, and overall product quality significantly since we've started working with them. We have found no other way for our haptic layer to last the hundreds of thousands of cycles that it needs to without using plasma bonding. Plasmatreat is willing to work with very small startup companies and help them work on cutting-edge technology and bring those products to market. Without Plasmatreat's systems, we would never be able to make as many haptic layers as we have been able to.
And our loved one's safety in traffic heavily relies on sensors today. Ensuring a perfectly sealed enclosure for these sensors, cameras, LiDAR, or other electronic devices is becoming mission critical. The really exciting part of my job is that I get to see the latest in product development sitting right next to our R&D lab in Silicon Valley. There are things that range from new water bottles and cell phones to satellites and even flying cars.
Flying cars?
There are a lot of companies that are working on the future of transportation. All of our streets are very congested, and going three-dimensional will definitely help.
Wow. Well, and my goodness, we're going to want them running as smoothly as possible. How exciting. Hardev, you mentioned medical device companies. Have you seen a shift in demand for plasma treatment technology since COVID-19?
Definitely. Since the beginning of the pandemic, we have been looking for ways how we can help with our plasma technology. So we have treated critical parts that go into COVID-19 test kits, making them more moisture absorbent. We have developed new coating technologies that enhance microfluidic devices used in the rapid medical testing and screening. As you can see, it is so important for us to get test results the same day and not have to wait for them for days or a week. And we have developed a new plasma-enabled sterilization technology that allows for the safe cleaning of surfaces and protective gear without harmful chemicals. Innovation is in our blood. It drives and motivates us each and every day.
Wow. Well, Hardev, thank you so much for joining us today, for sharing the powerful innovations of Plasmatreat. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, Kathy. Thanks for having me on the show.
And thank you for watching. I'm Kathy Ireland.